What's going on, y'all? We are at Aldi's. I've only been to Aldi's like twice my entire life, and it was before I ever started keto. Crystal's never been to Aldi's, so we're gonna go in there. We're gonna see if anything's keto friendly. From what I hear, it's like super budget friendly. So let's see what they got. Alright, so one really interesting thing about Aldi's is you have to have a quarter, and you slide that in there to get access to a shopping cart. How weird is that? Alright, so we've got a pretty good nut selection. This is raw cashews, walnuts, and macadamia nuts for only $4.99, so pretty good deal there. Alright, y'all, so we have an assorted salami. These aren't perfect. There's got like some dextrose preservatives in there, but pretty good as far as salami goes. This is only $3.79 for this, which is a pretty good price. We have pork rinds for $1.29. Look at the labels though. This one is just the original. It's only got pork rinds and salt. This one is a hot and spicy. It's got maltodextrin, so you want to stay away from this one. This entire thing of drumsticks is $4.93, 99 cents per pound. This probably isn't organic, you know, natural raised chicken, but that's not a bad price on chicken. Fresh, sweet Italian turkey sausage. Look at these ingredients: turkey, water, salt, corn syrup solids. What the heck? Putting this one back. So we have some like bratwurst, we have some like Italian sausage, we have some like breakfast sausage. All of these have corn syrup solids in there. They all have dextrose, they all have maltodextrin, so you know, they're cheap. They're better than like carbohydrate based meals, but they're not really optimal for keto, so I'm not going with these. We have one that's a winner here. 100% grass-fed ground beef, $5.29 for a pound, and the only ingredients is beef. Rack of lamb here. This has only got lamb as the ingredient, so I would feel confident in getting this. Again, probably not grass-fed, but pretty good option here. We have 80-20 ground beef here. Again, the only ingredients are ground beef, so this is only $2.79 per pound. This whole thing is $6.33. Ground bison, $7.99 for this pound of ground bison. That's pretty good. The macros on ground bison, in case you didn't know: 190 calories per 4 ounces, 11 grams of fat, 23 grams of protein, 0 carbs. So you're gonna want to fatten this up. This is a really good, clean option. Look at this behemoth, y'all. We have 5.6 pounds for $12.82 of 73.27. That's a good option. Honestly, never even seen these, y'all, but I'm gonna get some because they look good. So these are like half sours, not quite a cucumber is what they say, or not quite a pickle, not quite a cucumber, but basically just a cucumber that's not quite pickled yet fully, so I'll give it a shot. Alright, so we've got some pretty good clean options for cheese. They have just a feta, which has got clean ingredients, no like additives in there, Havarti, spicy Havarti, and then we have a prosciutto and mozzarella wrap that's actually pretty clean as well. So all the prices on this are like $3, and then this is $4, so pretty good. All right, so this pack of prosciutto is $3.29, and it's just got prosciutto and salt, so pretty good. All right, so there's like this marinated fresh mozzarella. It's marinated in olive oil. It's got 6 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, and the price is $3.89, so I'd be getting this. I'm a huge fan of sausages. Unfortunately, none of their sausage brands pass the test. They've all got sugars or preservatives or nitrates, and don't want any of that stuff, so no sausages here. Unfortunately, the same is true with all of their bacon, so all too many preservatives for my liking, so no sausages, no bacon. Boom, we have a winner here. They have Kerrygold for $2.85 a package. It's pretty good. They do have heavy cream, they do have eggs, obviously, and they do have half and half, and like almond milk and whatnot, but none of it like super high quality, but they do have it, so that's good. They do have LaCroix sparkling water though, so that's a plus. Even though the eggs aren't the best, it is 68 cents for a dozen, so can't beat that. Alright, y'all, it's kind of expensive. This right here is $5.07, but this coconut Gouda tastes just like cheesecake. They also have smoked white Gouda, and this whole pack is only $2.69, so not bad there. boom, we have 80/20 grass-fed frozen burger patties. The ingredients are organic grass-fed beef. So 31 grams of fat, 25 grams of protein for 10 bucks, so not too bad. We have rice cauliflower, one with garlic and herbs and one just plain. These are $1.89 each, so pretty good. Okay, we have some olives here. $3.29 for a container. It contains about 13 olives, or no, double that. I don't know what they did here, but there's cheese in here, yet there's no protein. So I'm not sure how they worked out that magic, but pretty clean ingredients as far as olives go. I'm gonna get one of these. Pretty good prices on olive oils here, y'all. We have, well, avocado oil for 7 bucks. We have extra virgin olive oil for 4 bucks. I mean, that's right there's 4 bucks. That's pretty good. And then we have premium selected olive oil for 8 bucks. So pretty cheap, really. We have ghee for $7.49. We have coconut oil for $7.29. And then we have another, is it a different brand? Another brand of coconut oil. Oh, a different size. So $7.29 for this one and $4.49 for this one. Coconut oil. Okay, so we have sardines, but they're packaged in maltodextrin and cornstarch, so no go there. The oysters are packaged in cottonseed oil, so another no-go, so I would not be getting my canned fish from here. Okay, so all the dressings, all the salad dressings are made with either canola oil or soybean oil, so you don't want to go with that. But you can get this huge thing of apple cider vinegar for only $2.39, so pretty good deal there. 49-cent avocados, y'all. That's probably the best price I've ever seen on avocados. Obviously, I don't eat cereal anymore, but this is a total knock on Lucky Charms, and I used to love Lucky Charms, so I'm not happy about this. Doesn't have to do with nutrition, but this is the best way to start your charcoal for a grill, and I'm going to be doing a lot of grilling coming up. This is actually like a really well-built one. Most of these are really cheap and crappy, but this beast is only 10 bucks, so I'm going to be getting one of these. Alright, y'all, we're going to close this clip out with trying one of these half sours, not quite a cucumber pickle things. It's really good, y'all. 1 ounce of this is only 1 gram of carb, 170 milligrams of sodium. Doesn't have like near the bitterness of a pickle. Still fresh like a cucumber. I like it.